protect the awesome.
1 for the party, 2 for the money, 3 for the honey, 4 for the 4 when you shake your bum 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 bum. See, me all like to party. Party with the boys that get money. Hey.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be trying another YouTuber's hair tutorial. I've been seeing this going all over YouTube, and this is actually the first time I'm getting involved trying to do this challenge thing. Just that I watched some of the videos and they are so funny, and I just feel it's a fun thing to do, to try other YouTubers' hair tutorial and see how it's going to look on our type of hair. But before we get into that, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload. So today I'll be trying a Thechicnatural's hair tutorial. You guys, I believe you all know her. She's so super talented. Like, she's so good at what she does. When she does a hair tutorial, you actually think it's so easy. Like, she makes it look so easy. So I'm gonna try this particular hair on my hair, to see what it's going to look like. I know it's not going to be the same at all, but I'm going to try my very best. And so we're going to begin. I'm going to watch her video while I try the hair on my hair. I'm going to watch it on my phone.
Hey guys, today I'm here with a natural hair tutorial on this bun hawk updo I came up with recently. So like most of my styles, I'm starting off with stretched hair since it's the easiest for me to work with. I will put the link below to my wash day routine that shows exactly how I stretch my hair, so you can check that out. Alright, so now to begin the style, I'm making a part going straight across the middle of my head, going from ear to ear. I'm making sure it's as straight as I can get it, and then I'm going to section the back half first. So for this half, I'm going to be making 3 ponytails going down the center of my head, and starting at the edge of that first part I just made, I'm going to section that off going in an upward diagonal direction, like that.
So when I make the part, I'm going to take this dark hair cream and apply on the pattern. I just want my pattern to look at least as bright as it possibly can. You can see that her pattern looks so clean, and I'm trying to get mine as clean as hers. So I'm gonna definitely apply the cream on my pattern.
Now I'm making the next part, and again I'm starting at the edge of that very first part I made, but this time I'm going in a downward diagonal direction.
So since I can't see what I'm doing, what I actually do is I just use my fingers to feel the part. And I just follow my mind and then follow my fingers to feel the part, because I'm not really seeing what I'm doing now. So the next thing she did, she applied the styler gel on her hair and then just made it into a ponytail. So that's what I'm going to do. To be honest, I feel a lot of pressure trying to do this. Like, seriously, it's taking me forever to do. So I'm going to be using my styler gel right here. And I'm going to apply my Eco Styler gel. Let me zoom in. I hope you guys are seeing me very well. Let me zoom in a little bit. Oh. And once I apply the gel, I'm gonna brush it down. So that's one done. I'm gonna do the same thing on this one.
Alright, so the back half is all done, and I went ahead and did the exact same thing in the front to make 6 ponytails in total.
I did exactly the same thing in front. Oh my god. Like, this is going to be really, really crazy. Like, this is where it gets stuck.
Crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly.
I'm gonna go ahead and allow my hair to dry. I have to apply a lot of gel on my head because my hair is short. So this is what it looks like.
Okay, so now it's time to make the buns, and for each ponytail I'm lightly combing the hair out to detangle, make sure I don't have any snags or anything like that. Then I'm going to split the hair in half and make a twist.
So while I wait, in the video you can see that her hair is very, very long. So she used her hair and she twisted the bun. But my hair is not as long as hers. My hair is really short. So I'm going to use Marley hair extension. So I'm going to take some Marley hair, like let's say 3, and I'm going to cut it into 2 equal half. Where's my scissors? I'm going to cut it into 2. And then I'm going to brush them out, the hair. And then I'm going to brush the Marley hair out to give it that more natural look. This is taking me as in so many hours to do. God. The struggle is real. It just goes a long way to show you guys that we all have different, absolutely different types of hair. You know, it's easier with some hair and it's hard with some hair. Apart from the hair, some people are just so talented, seriously. You know, some people can just kill it. You know, she's just really, really talented. So this is what it looks like. But I'm gonna go ahead and divide it into 2. Yeah, and I'll use this part for one. I'll use this part for one bun. I suppose it should be enough. So I decided to do my makeup while I wait for the gel to dry. I don't think it's completely dry yet, as you guys can see, but I'm gonna work with it like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make the bun. So since my hair is not long, I'm going to be using the Marley hair. So what she actually did to, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the twist around my bun like this. I hope you guys are seeing it. And then I'm going to knot it. So once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and twist the hair. And wrap it round like so. Then I'm going to use the bobby pin to put that in place. So that's what I'm going to keep on doing. Oh my lord. I'm going to go ahead and put it in between like this. Then that's it. So I'm going to twist it. So she added a bang in front and she used a chunky crochet twist, but I'll be using a crochet Marley hair to, you know, to do the part in front right here.
And for that, I'm going to be using these chunky crochet twists. So I'm going to take the twists and unravel them to get this twist out pattern, this really pretty pattern. And then on that front bun, I'm going to loop the hair around it and tie it one time so it's secured. And I'm going to keep adding the crochet twist hair in until I have enough for a nice full bang.
So right here I added 6. So what she did was she went on and trimmed the hair to, you know, match her face. So that's what I'm gonna do.
And then the last step is to bring a bit of the hair over to the other side just to cover up the base and to
So guys, as you guys can see, I'm done with the tutorial. It actually looks good. I actually surprised myself because I didn't know I was going to get it to this extent, and I really like it. Seriously, I really do. And that's what it's gonna be. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very, very soon. I love you guys. Bye.
Notes, very pon